Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to do this video because I just recently bought this quad. It's been like sitting for a couple of years. That's what the guy said. As you can see, it has some spider webs everywhere, and it's missing some pieces, some bolts. It's pretty dirty, but I think I got a great deal on this thing. It runs, it shifts good. The only things, I have to replace pretty much all the handguards, light switches, adjust the brakes. Definitely took some hits, I guess. Obviously it's not kept in pristine conditions, but it's nothing that cannot be fixed. It has this skid plate all on the bottom, so that's good. And they use it in the farm, or they had it in the farm in close to San Diego area. So that's why I have that little tow hitch right there. But other than that, I think it's still a pretty solid bike. I'm gonna do some work on it. I already have the Nerf bars as well. So I'm gonna do some work, clean up the lights as well. Gonna get it ready. We're planning on keeping this one for some time, so I'll do some work on it, and then I'll show you guys once I'm done with this. So, all right, thank you. All right, guys. After a couple of hours and a quick bath, we just cleaned it up a little bit and make it shine a little bit more, and it looks much better now. As you can see, no more spider webs, and it looks a little bit better, or much better. I also cleaned up the headlights, polished them a little bit, sanded down and polished them, so it looks better. I polished the rims just a bit. I don't have the product that I like to use for that, so I'll do that later on. But I just kind of cleaned it up with a rug and everything. I also replaced the grips, the hand grips, with some old ones that I had from my son's quad. The other ones were completely gone, so I just ordered new ones. And I also ordered a new light switch. This one doesn't work. Lights don't work. Everything else do, but the lights don't work. I just also put this one back in place with the correct bolts. I found some that I had, so luckily, I always have extra parts from the other quads or my other bikes that I have, so it was a lot easier. We also cleaned up the under the seat also. It was extremely dirty. It was like a rat nest over here, a bunch of leaves and spider webs and all that stuff. So now it looks a lot cleaner. So not bad. This is an 06. I forgot to mention, this is an 06. No, I'm sorry, 05. This is an 05 Suzuki Quadsport LTZ-250. So it's not bad. It looks pretty good. So here's some of the stuff that I use. So this is what I use for the headlights. This is pretty good. I use it around my cars. Pretty good. When you buy the kit, it comes with a little, brush or pad, whatever you want to call it. And this is what I use to clean up the wheels a little bit and most of the metal stuff. It works pretty good as well. And this is what I use for the blacks, all the plastics, all the black stuff. It kind of brings it back to life. It makes it, look shinier and better. So let's see how it runs. Okay. All right, I guess you need some gas. Cold. Have not started today. But hey, it sounds okay. gonna have to tighten a couple of bolts here and there just to make sure it's fine, you know, so we can take it out to the desert. And I'm gonna do another video because I'm gonna have to do a full maintenance on it, like complete tune-up, you know, spark plugs, oil changes. I want to do the oil change on the motor and also on the rear differential, because God knows when was the last time that somebody did some work on this bike. So I'd rather to just keep it running as it should. All right, so if you guys have any suggestions on what else I can do to this bike, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to get to it as quickly as possible. All right, thank you guys, have a blessed day.